DJ Dibul and Dorea Chege ni makoretwo mena a scandal ikoretwo trend I think in the last 1 week na yari ya screenshot cia korirwo trend Dorea Chege atumirwo expose ya DJ Dibul akirwo DJ Dibul anacheza hapa na pale na story yo ikorwo ya trend na njira imwe nene muno andu makiurania why DJ Dibul will do that and if it was true he did that no tutiaiguite any of the parties meyumirite gukorwo makireply kana kuga this is true kana this is what I'm going to do regarding to this story no muthenya wa umuthi nturikiria gukorwo tukiona DJ Dibul mena Dorea Chege makiyumiria kuria channel-ini yao na kuga ati maundu macio mothe ni matuhuhu na hatire undu tocio ukuretwo ugithi na mbere ni andu marageria gukorwo magimathukiria ritwa na gukorwo makigeria guthogotha wendo wao na makorwo bado makiuga ati gutire undu ukwiyumiria ugukorwo ugibunja kana guthukia wendo uria menaguo haria makiuga ati they have decided to do this forever na only death is going to do them apart.
And let me tell you, I don't think there's nobody in this world will ever come between us.
Yeah.
Nobody.
No one.
Nobody.
Hata kuja na hizo tunakuja no one yani.
Nobody. It's us against the world. Yes, forever until the wheels fall off.
Of course.
Yes.
Na hata si hivi karibuni tutasumbua. Sasa ngojeni tulete tumeleta Shiko. Tulete wengine. Tuende hizo ma international whatever.
Yes.
Treat and all that. Kijibambi, it's our time.
Yeah.
You understand?
In case you don't know story no uria ikoretwo hena muiretu akorirwo agitext Dorea Chege na ikorwo akimwira ati muthuri wake DJ Dibul hena muiretu makoretwo mena ndugu ya wendo nake na kuona ati ni murata wa muiretu ucio uragikorwo ukiinform Dorea Chege ni akorirwo akimwira ginya kuria makoretwo magicemania ni mathia ginya BNB ginya riria muthuri wake akoragwo agithi koina irafu-ini utuku here mwe makoragwo na muiretu ucio na arakorwo akira DJ Dorea Chege ati ni arakorwo agithakwo but now we are seeing that DJ Dibul na Dorea Chege they are not going to let that bring them down. Just a few weeks ago nirio tuonire DJ Dibul mena Dorea Chege maki welcome their first child together na tuonire DJ Dibul kuria nenda-ini very concerned to a point ado ni maugire ne gusimpara simp and uhoro uyu ukiyumiria it seemed to me like a big lie though ndungitetera mundurume you can't tetea a mwanaume but it seemed to me like someone who was trying to set him up tutikire turamenya uria akurathi na mbere but seeing that they have confirmed that nothing is going to bring them down neka undu kararikia gukorwo gakinina uhoro uyu urathi na mbere guku nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria. I don't know what you guys think about that story. You can comment down there and tell us what you think.
Nadain kone tena we mara moja nadain kushike tena we mara moja nilikuwa nakucheki mtaa na sikuanga idha and if they told me a day will come and I'll be thinking of you I swear ningekata na baada muda nikakunotice roho ya mind joy ka fall bila ta notice na leo hii umefunga kambi jo kwa roho ya mind. You must be a runner cause you always running on my mind. No sweet mama cause I enjoy watching you every time. Feli all of a sudden tukaanza kubonga kwa simu na daily unaiva mpaka hata usakikuona na umandimu unakuanga blessed na baby face na your smile wazimu we hata mdunge nikiwa site sa kuambia tikata simu no